The United States has just taken its aerial surveillance to the next level. The newly upgraded RQ-4 Global Hawk Drive 1 has been tested, and the results? Absolutely game-changing. Stay tuned as we break down the latest enhancements and why this cutting-edge UAV is redefining modern warfare. The RQ-4 Global Hawk has been the backbone of U.S. aerial reconnaissance for decades. Originally developed by Northrop Grumman, this high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft is capable of flying over 30 hours non-stop, covering thousands of miles while gathering critical intelligence. But now, it's back with a major upgrade. The latest Global Hawk is now equipped with next-gen electro-optical and infrared sensors, providing sharper and more detailed imagery, even in extreme weather conditions. These sensors can detect objects on the ground with unprecedented clarity, ensuring high-precision intelligence gathering. With improved onboard artificial intelligence, the drone can analyze data faster and make real-time adjustments without human intervention. This means more efficient surveillance and rapid response capabilities. AI-driven threat assessment allows for quicker decision-making and a reduction in human workload. A newly designed radar-absorbing coating reduces its detectability, making it even harder for adversaries to track and intercept. Enhanced electronic warfare countermeasures also allow the drone to operate in contested environments without the risk of being jammed or taken down. Improvements in fuel efficiency and aerodynamics now allow the RQ-4 to cover even greater distances with minimal refueling requirements. This means expanded operational capabilities, allowing the drone to stay in the air longer and cover larger areas of interest. Recently, the U.S. Air Force put the upgraded Global Hawk through a series of rigorous tests, pushing it to its operational limits. Military officials have praised the advancements, stating that this drone will play a crucial role in future reconnaissance missions, border surveillance, and even disaster response operations. It is now more versatile than ever, able to adapt to a variety of missions, including maritime patrol and battlefield reconnaissance. With tensions rising across multiple regions, this enhanced drone provides the U.S. with unparalleled intelligence capabilities. Experts believe this could shift the balance of power in strategic military operations worldwide. Countries around the globe are keeping a close eye on this technological leap, with some looking to develop countermeasures or their own advanced surveillance drone. But it's not just military applications that make the RQ-4 an invaluable asset. The drone's enhanced surveillance capabilities are also being explored for humanitarian and disaster response missions. During natural disasters, such as hurricanes and wildfires, the Global Hawk can provide real-time imagery to assist emergency responders. Environmental agencies are also looking into its ability to track climate changes and monitor endangered ecosystems from the sky. The future of aerial reconnaissance is here, and the new RQ-4 Global Hawk is leading the charge. What do you think about this upgraded UAV? Could it change the game for modern warfare? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more military tech updates.